Exploring Figma, the ultimate design collaboration tool. Ever struggle to bring your design ideas to life or collaborate effectively with your team? Meet Figma, the tool revolutionizing how designers and developers work together. Whether sketching wireframes or creating full UI designs, Figma makes it seamless, collaborative, and fun. Let's dive in. Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Figma, the game-changing design tool that has taken the world by storm. If you're new to Figma or just curious about what makes it so special, stick around because this video will give you all the insights you need. Let's start with the basics. What is Figma? Figma is a cloud-based design tool that allows teams to create, prototype, and collaborate in real time. Think of it as Google Docs for design, but with powerful tools to craft anything from a simple logo to an interactive app prototype. The best part? Figma works directly in your browser. That means no downloads and no installations. Log in, and you're ready to create from anywhere. Plus, it's cross-platform, so whether you're on a Mac, PC, or even Linux, you're good to go. The question is, why is Figma such a hit? It's all about the features. Here are some highlights. 1. Real-time collaboration. Multiple people can work on the same design simultaneously. Watch changes happen live. It's like magic. 2. Prototyping. Turn your static designs into interactive prototypes, complete with transitions and animations. 3. Version control. Never lose track of your progress with Figma's automatic saving and version history. 4. Plugins. Enhance your workflow with plugins for everything from accessibility checks to advanced animations. Figma isn't just for designers, it's for teams. Developers can inspect your designs directly within Figma, eliminating the back and forth over assets. Project managers can leave comments, and stakeholders can review and approve designs, all in one platform. This collaborative power is why companies like Slack, Zoom, and Microsoft swear by Figma. It speeds up workflows, reduces miscommunication, and ensures everyone stays on the same page. Did you know Figma also offers tools like FigJam, a virtual whiteboard for brainstorming sessions? It's perfect for planning projects, mapping user flows, or just doodling ideas with your team. And with its community resources, you can explore templates, share designs, or get inspired by what others are creating. Getting started with Figma is simple. 1. Sign up for a free account at figma.com. 2. Explore pre-made templates or start a blank project. 3. Dive into its intuitive interface. Trust me, you'll pick it up quickly. 4. Don't forget to try the prototyping features, they'll blow your mind. Figma isn't just a tool, it's a movement that's redefining how we approach design and collaboration. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a curious beginner, Figma has something for you. What's your favorite feature of Figma?